Hello. In this video, I will be showing you how you can export the content of your lessons from one Moodle system to another. We call this backup and restore. Usually, we can just easily import contents of our lesson or the whole lesson in another course if they belong to the same system. But if you happen to have to encounter where your previous course is no longer available in the new system that you have where you will be handling your current course, then you will have to do backup and restore. So here's how we do this. If you can see on your screen, this is my current dashboard in Moodle, and these are my courses. I've mentioned that I'm teaching great books. This is currently the content of my course. However, I have already done this course before, and I would like to make my lessons available here. So how do I do that? Here we already have 3 servers, and last year we can find, or you can find my lessons in this platform. So here I have several completed lessons in this platform already, and I would like to copy what I have here in my other course. So these are the lesson content of my previous course, and I would like to copy that. But because this is a previous lesson and I'm already teaching my current lesson, I don't want that my students will be able to see everything that I will copy. This is okay if you're still starting, you don't have students yet in your courses, but if students are already able to access your course, you might consider hiding it first before you do your backup. So under here, you have edit. If you can't find it, you will have to turn editing on over here. Under this setting icon, you have the turn editing on and off. Okay, so if you turn editing on, you will find this, and I'm going to hide topics before I back up the file. So I will hide everything, every topic that I have here. That way, when I will restore them, students will only see the topics, but the lessons here, which I will still have to edit, particularly when it comes to time, so they won't be able to see that. Okay, now that I've hidden all the topics, it's time to do backup. Again, you go to this settings menu. They have another technical term for that, and then just click backup. Usually it's already in default, we'll just follow that. And then we click next. If you want to copy everything, you just go ahead and click next. But for me, I have already some lessons there in my new course, so I don't want to copy everything because I already have course orientation, and I already have the major reading requirements. So I only want to copy the following sections after that. Again, next, and perform backup. This might take a while because you are basically doing backup for your whole coursework, which involves the whole semester. So the backup that I'm doing is from the previous course, which I have already taught, and I want to make my lessons available so I don't have to create new lessons again because I have already done that. So it will save us hopefully some time if we can back up and restore the content of our courses in the current courses that we are teaching. Now, if all those courses are available in one server, you can just do the import technique. Now we're done, backup is done. We just click continue. And here you just scroll down, course backup area. You will see that under course backup area, and there's an option there to download or restore. We will download what we have backed up. Now that we have downloaded it, you can find it in your downloads folder. You will see that I have several here. So I want my download folder to, I will just rename it as Great Book so I can easily see that. Now that you have done the backup process, it's time to go to the restore. How do we make these lessons available in our new course? Now I'm going to my new course, which is, okay, let me go back. This is these are the courses that I have currently. So I would like to make my lessons available here. If you notice, it's just that. So how do I restore the lessons that I have backed up? Again, we go back here to this settings icon and we will click restore. So click restore. And from here, import a backup file. So we will choose the file. You just go to your downloads section, and if you notice that file, actually this file, you won't be able to open it in your laptop. It's only accessible on Moodle. So once you have it there, we will click restore. And never mind this checked. We will just go ahead and continue. And here, it gives you an option to restore into this course or restore into an existing course. Of course, the course where I wanted to restore this, I have already accessed this. So this is the one that we will choose. There's already a default tick there. You don't have to do anything. You just click continue. And basically, it's a reversal of what we did for backup. It shows you what you're going to be restoring in that course. So just click and perform restore. And again, we have to wait for a bit for the whole lessons from the previous course to be uploaded in my new course. So all I have to do with this is just to edit. Now that I have all my lessons that I have already created and prepared from my previous course, I can now export them to my courses in the new server and hopefully make it available. But again, please don't forget that you hide them because they still need to be edited. Now the restore process has completed. Let's click continue and see you have it there. Originally, my lessons are only up to here. But if you notice, I now have my lessons for the first term. There's also even the prelim exam and lessons for midterm and the midterm exam. So it's up to you if you want to change or not your exam and edit. That's possible as long as it's hidden. So just to give you an idea how it looks like, if I will change my role as a student, these are the things that my students will see. Just that one. Currently, where originally this is the content of my course, but the ones that I have imported are not available for them. So I still have time to edit them before I make these lessons available for my students. But at least you don't have to. Now I will return to my normal role and I will turn editing on. At least you don't have to keep on copying, keep on making. And I hope this is helpful for you and it will save you some important time. Thank you very much and God bless you.